Open house Facebook lead ads average about $4.50 for the week of December 1st through the 7th, ranging between $2 to $8 each, name, email, and phone number. But really, the best thing is not only do you get name, email, and phone number, but you also can add custom questions like the ones that you see here, where I've got three questions. The first one being, would you like to be notified first when similar listings hit the market? People can say yes or no. What is your time frame to buy? Just dreaming 1 to 3, 3 to 6, and so on. And the next question, what's most important to you in your next home? We've got over 25 different custom questions that you can select from. These are just three that I selected for this particular listing. And I'm going to select great schools in nearby parks. Hit continue, name, email, and phone number. And then the lead goes on to the single property website where you can put property videos, 3D tours, professional photos, an absolutely gorgeous presentation of that listing. In this case, we're having an open house. We got the countdown counter, our 3D tour, professional photos, and so on. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do these ads with listings to leads in about a minute, where you're clicking name, email, phone number, plus custom questions that can help you really engage with leads a lot better. Go to listingstoleads.com, log into your account. And when you log in, click on the listings tab. And I'm going to scroll down to my listing here. And I will click market listing for this one. Facebook and Instagram ads. And we pull in the Facebook Ads Manager into Listings to Leads so that you can get these ads done quicker than ever with all the exact settings that you need, including the privacy policy, special housing ad category, 15-mile radius, and so on. We're going to autofill location of the listing. We've got a lifetime budget, which is editable between lifetime and daily. I'm going to increase my budget. We got a start and end date of 1 week. I can increase that if I want to. We can change the template, change the images in the template, change the text and color of the template, upload a different image altogether, add video. We can retarget. We can use custom audiences. To add the custom questions, I want you to click on the advanced options button, click create new form, and then form questions. This is so powerful because if we can ask the right questions, our engagement is going to increase by a lot. I'm going to scroll down here. So we got name, email, and phone number selected. That's going to be by default. We want to make sure we have that. I've got what is your time frame to buy selected. I can turn that on or off. I've got would you like my free ultimate guide to buying a home? If you leave that selected and they say yes, we will actually send that guide from your Listings to Leads account, fully branded to you, to that lead automatically. I'm going to turn that off though. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit more. I could offer a list of price reduced homes for sale. That's a very popular one. See if you qualify for zero down or down payment assistance. That could be a great question to ask, especially with affordability these days. We've got, would you like to be notified first when similar listings hit the market? Now, in addition to name, email, and phone number, I don't recommend any more than 3 extra questions. If you go to 4, your cost per lead and the number of leads are going to drop off. So 2 to 3 questions above name, email, and phone number are perfect. So I might go, would you like to be notified? That way I can set them up with a free list of homes for sale at my IDX as soon as they say yes to this. I don't need them at my website because a lot of times they just bounce off of it. So here I will get more people saying yes, and then I can add them to my IDX. And the other question I like is, what's most important to you in your next home? We got 5 different versions of this question based on different buyer profiles, such as first-time buyers, family move-up, downsizing, lifestyle second home, or luxury. I'm going to select family move-up. I can see what the different answers are available to the leads by mousing over the question mark here, and you can see for each one of these buyer profiles, there are different answer options which are going to help you engage these leads at a higher level. And I can even reorder these questions. So if I want to move, would you like to be notified first when similar listings hit the market? I can move that above, what is your time frame to buy? And you're going to see here now, here are the 3 questions. Would you like to be notified first when similar listings hit the market? What is your time frame to buy? And then what's most important to you in your next home? Based on the answers that people replied to these questions will help determine your follow-up, and it's going to help increase your engagement. When you're good at these 3 questions, go ahead and click create form. You can take a look at all the advanced options that we've got, including retargeting, custom audiences, and so on. For most of you, just go ahead and close advanced options and click create ad. And literally in about under a minute, we can have a Facebook lead ad live. Average cost per lead was about $4.50. The range was between $2 to $8. If you're going over $8 per buyer lead in particular, I would turn the ad off and just rerun it. Sometimes the Facebook algorithm just goes a little bit crazy and you can see lead costs jumping up quite a bit. So if you've spent anywhere from $10 to $20 and your cost per lead is over $10, especially, I would turn the ad off. Take a look at your images, take a look at the text, make sure you didn't do anything crazy with that. Sometimes people edit these ads a little bit too much and it causes the cost per lead to go way too high. And if you forget to do those custom questions and you've already got an ad live, maybe you got an ad live a couple of days ago, you didn't know about these custom questions, you can come back into the listings dashboard and you can actually add those questions to a currently live ad. So how to do that is go back into marketing tools for the listing in question, click on Facebook and Instagram ads, and find the ad that's live. Click the edit icon, which is that little pencil mark there in the top right. Click on that. And from the work area, scroll down to instant form. We're going to open up instant form, open up create new form. We're really just going to edit it and then open up form questions. And then here I can change, add, take away whatever questions I want. And the edits I make here will update almost immediately. So I could say, for this one, I want zero down payment assistance. I want to select, would you like a list of price reduced homes for sale? And I want to select what's most important to you as a first time home buyer profile. Turn that on. And I might rearrange and ask if they want zero down first. Click create new form and click update. And now that will update my live ad with those new questions in under a minute. It's very quick. And the next lead that clicks on the ad is going to see those new questions and it's going to help you generate better leads because now you got more information that you can add value, whether it is a list of price reduced homes for sale, knowing why they want to move, offering the free list of similar homes for sale, or any of those other questions that we've got available for you will help you better meet their needs to get better leads for you. So if you have any questions on this, let our support team know. Get to the mastermind group. We'll talk to you soon.